with some olders. They took some water and put it in these gloves and put some food coloring so you can see. How long do you think, when we put it outside, it's right -35 right now. How long do you think before it freezes?
20.
20 minutes?
5 minutes.
I think it's gonna be 10.
Mine is
I think between 15 or 20. 11.
11. All right, let's bring them outside and see. I'm back with our learners. So it's been about 1 hour and 45 minutes since we put this out. So go ahead and pick one up, please. Be careful with it. So in the 1 hour and 45 minutes, describe what you're seeing here. What do you notice?
The wire has turned completely solid, but it still held its color.
Okay, so you can still see the food coloring. Anything else you've noticed? Tap it on the table a little bit. Does it seem like it's frozen completely solid?
Yeah, mine is completely solid. Oh, that one's cracking.
All right, so we're gonna cut them open and see what it looks like.
Whoa. Can you send this to me?
All right.
Wow.
It's kind of like a giant popsicle. You can see we did lose the pinky here.
The pinky's gone.
But your gloves might get
Type on your homework.
Okay.
Fingers fall off. That's not a problem.
As you can see, it's starting to melt a little bit as we're inside. I don't know
You're gonna type on that computer.
if you want to work on getting the rest of that out. Okay, is this one completely frozen?
Yeah, mine is completely also.
Over the.
Yeah, do everything over here.
Roll my sleeves up.
Mine's completely frozen.
It's not that cold.
Okay, we got another one here. These fingers are a little bit spread out more, so I think this one will come out.
Can I get scissors?
Ben, you lost your pinky.
My things are like completely straight.
And this is just outside. For
So
a
this was
while.
just outside for about almost 2 hours.
Wow.
Me and Jake were the closest.
It is. It's supposed to be cold out
We did
there.
lose
Imagine
another
if we were
finger.
out for 2 hours. Our blood would freeze.
It was the middle finger.